Hi, my name's Aaron from The Way Home. I'm here today to show you what the process looks like for an agent to be on screen whilst filming a home tour. It's not as hard as you think. There's a couple things agents always say to us about being on screen. The first of those is generally the agent is too afraid and feels a lack of confidence being behind the camera.
Let's go have a look through.
And the second is time. Do I have enough time in my schedule to go through the process of shooting a home tour? 3, 2, 1.
And today we've got a beautiful 4-bedroom home right here in the heart of Upper Hutt.
In this video, we're going to look at the full process of how we shoot a home tour with an agent on screen. And we're going to also show you some of the processes that we have in place to help you overcome those barriers. When talking about confidence, it's a no-brainer that knowing the details of your home and preparing a script for the video has to be done. Being prepared will always help with your confidence, and being unprepared will always weaken it. When it comes to a script, it's always a great idea to prep by writing a script in advance. If you don't have the time to write a script, what you could do is have a PA do that for you if you have one. And if you don't have the leisure of a PA, just bring in the blurb that you would usually use on your online listing for reference points will always help. When it comes to filming, we know you're not an actor. It's going to take multiple times to get it right, and that's okay. Through the process, we're going to help you with things like tonality, body positioning, and just generally how you present yourself on camera.
The 59. Sorry, I stuffed up.
You don't have to be experienced to do your first video. You can always start with a small intro and maybe a little bit of voiceover.
Hi, I'm Vinny from The Way Real Estate. So there you have it, a beautiful, pristine home right here on Golders Road.
Remember, you always get better with experience. Make sure the house is prepped and ready to go when you arrive. Something I've noted in the past is agents can be overwhelmed and distracted during the filming process because they're working through a whole bunch of different stuff prior to the filming. When it comes to time frames, we always prioritize filming the agent on screen first, taking anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes, and then filming the rest of the home afterwards. When and where possible, try and minimize the amount of people who are on set for filming. We all know what it's like to have 100 people looking at us whilst on camera.
Hi, I'm Vinny from The Way Real Estate, and today we're at 49 Golders Road, an absolutely beautiful house. Sorry man, I stuffed it up again.
So that's it guys. Remember, the home tour is always for the purpose of adding value to your customer. But when you're on screen, it's adding value to yourself. By being on screen, it allows the viewer to be connected with someone. I've been Aaron from The Way Home. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.